Man, welcome back. So so if you guys follow me on Instagram, which you probably should, because I post a lot of my daily stuff on there, you know, different workout routines, food tips and tricks, and different recipes and stuff, which I will be throwing here on the channel as well once we get back. But yeah, so this is my official third day here in Denmark. The first couple days dealing with jet lag. I mean, I was so tired the first day. But the good thing was, you know, Mark and I ended up linking up and getting a great workout in, which was really my first real workout since the show a couple weeks ago. So that was good. That was a good step in the right direction, which was like one of the things that I wanted to get out of this trip, was just because I felt so burnt out after the show. And, you know, I just kind of wanted to find my way back to, you know, loving the process again, loving the workouts. You know, I'm keeping up with my nutrition no matter what. So, you know, I'm staying lean, which is, of course, you know, one of the things that I wanted to make sure that I did. So whether or not I did another show this year, I'm considering doing nationals, but we're going to wait till I get home before I make that final decision. So yeah, I'll be out here until basically the end of the month. I just want to jump around and have some fun and visit some different countries and visit some friends and people that I haven't seen in forever, and just yeah, enjoy that time, get recharged and do the thing. So anyways, today we're about to go meet up with Mark, so I'm headed to the train station right now. It's about a 15-minute walk from where I'm staying. Breakfast, since you know I like to talk about food, breakfast we had some Pride Foods cream of rice, 100 grams, about 40 grams of Professor Nuts, and 40 grams of protein powder. So that was the breakfast, but you know, the rest of the day we'll make sure to show you guys exactly, you know, the food and stuff, and again, just it'll be a vlog. So, all right, my arm's getting tired. Let's get to this train station. Right, so we have finally made it to Mark's place. Let's figure out which door it is. This is kind of like Russian roulette. Just gonna click one. No. I'm gonna go ahead and text him, see where he's at, see if he can come down, come get me. And yeah, we'll make our way up. My man, look who's back.
And if you come to Copenhagen, then you have to drink coffee.
It's the Danish thing. Let's check the view, guys. He's over here at Mr. Penthouse. Okay. Got the water out there. Check that out. Yeah. This is very cozy. Or, like the Danes like to say, it's hygge. Hygge means cozy. Like, yeah. I guess that's the best word to use. All right. So, Mark took care of the calls. You got your work done.
Yep.
Got some updates done. Now, let's show you guys what we're doing before the workout. Mark has to pee and he's still doing this. It's like, it's hilarious. So we got 2 scoops of protein here in the protein shake, and then we don't have any rice cakes or anything. I'm just gonna take a tablespoon of Professor Nuts. That way I have a little bit of extra fiber in there. Yeah, so this is gonna be the pre-workout meal. I may go grab like a banana or something at the store, and then we're gonna head over, do you know what gym?
We're gonna try
Fitness X? Yeah. So we'll try there. If not, we'll find somewhere. We'll make it work. Leg day, baby. Let's go. All right, so change of plans. We were gonna go to Fitness X, but we couldn't get in. So the next best solution here is Sats, right down the street. So let's go. Cardio equipment downstairs a little bit. All right, so did a 5-minute warm up on the Stairmaster. And then now we're gonna start off with some leg extensions and leg curls. We're a little bit short on time, so we'll turn this into a superset. It's right here. Leg curl, leg extension. We'll just go back and forth, sets of 10 to 15 reps, and then we'll move on to some compound movements. right, guys, so next up, we're hitting the leg press here. I'm not really the biggest fan of the pre-core leg press, but of course, it's what we have, and we're gonna make it work. So basically, all we're doing is we're going a bit higher reps here, trying to get a nasty pump, but 4 sets of 15, 4 working sets of 15. We're just building up until that last set becomes like RPE 9, 10. So let's get ready to roll. One thing I want to break down is the type of depth that you want to get out of the leg press. You want to make sure that you're getting the most out of every single rep, right? So you see guys, they'll get in, they'll do that, right? They're getting nothing out of it. You want to make sure you get proper depth all the way down. That's a rep. Mark's turn, let's go. 2, good, let's go. 3. Good, nice. 8. Knee, T, every. I forgot. Good. Good. Let's go. Boom. All right, so we're coming right next door. We're gonna do some RDL stiff-legged deadlifts here with this pre-core machine. I like it because it takes the load off the lower back. You're really able to get a lot of that stretch and contraction here in the hamstrings and glutes. So let's go, let's get after it. What you wanna do here, guys, is you wanna basically, so you wanna stick your ass out. Keep that stretch, keep that back straighten, head in a neutral position. Don't move it. Come up, squeeze hard. Once again, 4 sets, 10 to 15 reps. Now, it's Mark's turn. All right, let's get it, Mark. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Getting heavy here. It's getting heavy. This is where form is crucial, guys. There you go. Look at that. Look at that form. Perfect form. Sticking the butt out. Boom. Stretch. Squeezing those glutes and hamstrings at the top. That's exactly what we want. Look at that. Textbook. Textbook. Let's get it. Let's get it. 2 more. 1 more. Nice. But not least, we're gonna finish off with a little bit of a superset here. So walking lunges, we're doing anywhere between 8 to 12 steps with each leg, and then we're gonna superset this with a single leg curl over here next to the machine. So keeping it simple. I like to keep my steps short. That's where we're getting a lot of those glutes engaged. Oh boy, you want some cardio work, walking lunges. Make that a part of your program. Of that, and that's it for the leg workout. But first, Mark has to go first. Let's get it, Mark. Let's get it. finished. He's like, fuck you, Jonathan. He knows when he comes here with me, there ain't no playing around. Working on these little buttons. That's it. Alright, so next up, some food. Hit the pizza shawarma house. Let's get ready to grab. So what are you getting?
I don't know.
It's tough.
I think I'm getting a roll.
I think I'm gonna get a pizza.
Okay.
Yes, let's go.
That steam. Oh.
I like it spicy. I'm gonna be blowing holes through my toilet, but it's okay. It's okay. Here we go, baby. This is a family size. I feel like this is like a child's pizza right here. I'm gonna destroy this thing. So, anyways, post-leg workout. Get these carbs in. Get our protein in. I got my Matador somewhere in the car. We'll just take it after. Now we're waiting for Mark's little roll. So we'll be right back. All right, so we're back at the Airbnb. And yeah, pizza was fantastic. Definitely hit the spot, hit that craving that I had. It's just something that I always do when I'm out here, is like always find a decent pizza spot, and they never fail. So before bed, you know, I like to have a little bit of a snack. So let me show you guys exactly what I'm having. All right, so I found one of these ice creams. So this is like Nix. It's a Swedish brand. It's like a halo top out here, but they have a cookie dough flavor. My first time trying it. Got a little bit of the Professor Nuts chocolate. Again, link will always be in the description box for you guys to check this out, give it a try yourself. Check out those macros: 38 calories, 0 fat, almost 9 grams of protein. Basically just fiber. You know, I took all of my AD supplements: Matador, Ravenous, Heart Plus, Liver Plus, Vitamin Plus. Always got to carry this for sure. And last but not least, Estrel Pro. Threw a little bit of the caramel sauce on there. But that's it, guys. That is the last bit for today. So I'm gonna sit down, watch a little bit of Netflix or some YouTube or something, enjoy this beautiful, luscious bowl of ice cream, and call it a night. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. It's basically be my last day here in Copenhagen before I head over to Germany. But that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, of course. If you're new, hit that notification bell. And that's a wrap. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.